Hello everybody and welcome. Surely most of Ford Focus Mark III owners have experienced issues with their cars when it comes to the parcel shelves. It is a rubbish design. Not only it is awkward to operate because you have to push it in order to remove it. The material itself is a little bit flimsy. The wires just snap off. But most importantly, the plastic fixings on the parcel shelf itself are not that great. They eventually come off and they are simply impossible to put back in. But there is a solution that I found on eBay. They are reinforced 3D printed fixings, and I'm gonna fit them now, but I'm going to do this inside because it's really cold and windy outside. So these are the two new parts that I've ordered on eBay. I will put the link on the video description, and basically they are 3D printed. They are of higher quality plastic, fully reinforced, and then in order to help them to keep inside the parcel shelf, they have these screws that go through the parcel shelf itself, ensuring that they will stay there forever and will not come out. And these are much stiffer compared to the factory ones, which are basically, they don't last much longer. And you only need a couple of tools like an Allen key. I think it is a number 3, and in this case I'm using a skewer to perforate through the parcel shelf. You can also use a drill bit, but I don't have it at hand for the time being. So let's go. So here it is. There is a mark inside that says inside, which means that it will go on the inside of the parcel shelf. It has space for 3 screws. However, it actually only comes with 2. It's not missing. That's how it was advertised on eBay. And I'm going to put this in here, just like the original ones would go, but these ones go a little bit wider. So when you insert it, you have to make sure it has this cut in here. It's perfectly lined up so that when you're going to drill or punch through, they are perfectly fixed to the parcel shelf and they won't come out again. This will be much easier, of course, with a drill attachment. And now you just put the captive nuts in here and start to screw from behind. Nice. Now this is perfect secure. Okay, this has split around here, but there's nothing I can do about it. Much better. And here it is. Very nice. You can feel actually this is much sturdier. Of course, this bit in here is snapped, but I won't have any problems in getting this fixed to the car. And same with this side as well. No problems at all. Very nice and sturdy. Should probably outlast the car. And with broken string, it was actually very easy to repair. I've just enlarged the cavity of the holder. I've inserted the cord back in, filled with the super glue, put a little bit more super glue on the outside, and it's as good as new. See? Perfect. Now, time to put it back in the car. Wow, look at that. Now I have a proper boot and a working parcel shelf that doesn't sag anymore. You can see the fixings are now properly in place, and they are easier to remove compared to the other ones, but they also stay in place, which means that they don't break, which is very good news. Perfect. Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.